Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Teachable for online courses, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. Go to the Teachable website. Click on the Get Started button. Fill in your email address and create a password. Once registered, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Log in to your Teachable dashboard. Select Create a new school to begin. Enter the name of your online school. Choose the appropriate URL for your school. Select your currency from the drop-down menu. Click on Create School to finalize this step. You'll be directed to your school dashboard. Now, navigate to the Courses tab. Click on the New Course button. Choose between Build an all-new course or Upload a course. Input your course title and a brief description. Set the course price if you plan to sell it. Save the course details by clicking on the Save button. Next, upload your course content in the Curriculum section. You can add videos, lectures, quizzes, and assignments. Arrange your course materials in the desired order. In the settings, set enrollment options and course visibility. Return to the dashboard to customize your school theme. Select Site from the main menu. Modify the branding elements such as logo and colors. Preview your adjustments to see how they appear to users. Once satisfied, save your changes. To publish your course, navigate back to the course settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.